everybody. So today we are out here on the Jeep Miller Trail with the SuperSprings team. Just out here on a Saturday for a little bit of fun. Starting 2025 off right. We're riding the Jeep Miller Trail with the SuperSprings team. This is Justin and the CEO, Gerry. This is actually Gerry's first time off-road wheeling in the Jeep. So what do you think about your experience so far? How's the ride?
It was a lot of fun.
You like it?
Yeah, being out here in the country and riding with this guy who's knows all about it. A lot of fun.
Giving you all the details on what's coming up and brace yourself.
Yeah, I'm trying to scare him. a little bit. I'm like, oh, watch out, it's gonna be bad.
Yeah, you're like, Gerry, we need this part.
That's right. Yeah. Did you hear that? I think we can engineer that out.
Yeah, something's broken. Oh.
That's right. Yeah.
Some of those 26-degree slopes we were climbing, I was going, wow, this is pretty cool stuff.
Steep, huh? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's beautiful country out here, though.
Yeah.
Like this is, I'm from Kentucky, so we're here in California doing our planning meetings for the year, and this is kind of a little relax before we start into the next session next week, and this is beautiful country out here.